What if I told you the way someone cheats or doesn't was written in the stars long before you ever met them? Today we're going into the Zodiac's darkest relationship territory. No sugarcoating, no protecting egos, just the truth about which signs are most likely to stray and why they do it. Stick around because we're also going to talk about what each sign actually needs so they don't go looking elsewhere. This one might change how you see your relationship. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm your Zodiac love analyst, and we talk about astrology the way it was meant to be talked about, real, raw, and actually useful. Let's get into it, starting with the sign that is going to make every Gemini in the comments absolutely furious, but also kind of agree, Gemini. Here's the thing about Gemini. They're not cheating because they're evil. They're cheating because they are genuinely biologically bored. Gemini is ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication and mental stimulation. Their brain is always moving, always searching. And the moment a relationship stops being intellectually exciting, they start looking for that energy somewhere else. Gemini doesn't always even realize the relationship has deteriorated. They're not plotting. One conversation leads to another. Flirting feels like just being friendly, and suddenly they've crossed a line they didn't even see coming. What a Gemini actually needs to stay faithful. Variety. Surprise them. Challenge them mentally. Keep the conversation alive. A Gemini who is genuinely mentally stimulated by their partner has very little reason to stray. Next up, Sagittarius. And honestly, Sagittarius doesn't even think of it as cheating at first. That's the wild part. Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter, the planet of expansion, freedom, and philosophy. They are hardwired to explore everything: people, places, ideas, experiences. Commitment to a Sagittarius can feel like a cage, even when they love you, especially when they love you and feel guilty about feeling trapped. Sagittarius is most likely to cheat when they feel like their freedom is being suffocated. If you're checking their phone, tracking their location, questioning every night out, a Sagittarius will start to rebel. It's almost primal. What they need: a partner who trusts them, who has their own life, their own passions, their own adventures. Sagittarius is fiercely loyal to a partner who gives them space to breathe. The irony? The tighter you hold them, the faster they run. Aries. Ruled by Mars, the planet of desire, impulse, and passion, Aries cheats in the heat of the moment, full stop. This isn't a calculated decision. Aries isn't building an emotional affair over 6 months. They see something they want. The impulse fires, and they act before their rational brain can catch up. It's fast, it's reckless, and they often feel immediate, crushing guilt right after. The danger zone for Aries is when the relationship has lost its spark. Aries is addicted to the feeling of pursuit, passion, and being wanted. If they feel like you've stopped trying, if the relationship feels routine, they will go find that fire somewhere else. What keeps an Aries faithful? Keep the passion alive. Pursue them back. Don't let the relationship go on autopilot. An Aries who feels desired by their partner is one of the most fiercely loyal signs in the zodiac. Now, here's a surprising one: Libra. People don't expect Libra on this list because Libra is ruled by Venus, the planet of love and partnership. Libra loves love. So why do they cheat? Avoidance. Libra hates confrontation so deeply that instead of ending a relationship that isn't working, they emotionally check out and start forming a connection elsewhere. By the time they've cheated, they've already emotionally left, yet they just couldn't bring themselves to have the hard conversation. Libra is also deeply affected by how they're perceived. They fear being the bad guy, so they don't break up. They don't speak up. They quietly seek elsewhere and hope things somehow resolve themselves. What Libra needs: a relationship where honest conversation is safe, where expressing needs doesn't feel like starting a war. When Libra feels emotionally heard, they have no reason to go looking. Okay, now before I get to the next sign, I need to talk about Scorpio, because Scorpio has a reputation for this, and I'm going to give you the full picture. Yes, Scorpio has the capacity to cheat, but here's what most people don't tell you. Scorpio is actually one of the most loyal signs in the zodiac when they feel truly bonded to someone. The problem? Scorpio's loyalty is conditional on one thing: trust. Betray a Scorpio, dismiss a Scorpio, make them feel unimportant or controlled, and they will detach from you emotionally like flipping a switch. And once a Scorpio has emotionally detached, they feel absolutely zero guilt about seeking connection elsewhere, because in their mind, you already ended it. They're just acting accordingly. Scorpio doesn't cheat out of boredom. They cheat out of revenge or emotional survival. It's never random. There's always a reason, always. Now let's balance this out, because some signs are famously, almost stubbornly faithful. Taurus, once committed, they are in it. Taurus values stability above almost everything. Cheating would disrupt their whole world, and they despise chaos. They're also deeply sensual. If the physical and emotional bond is strong, Taurus has no desire to look elsewhere. Cancer, their emotional investment in a partner is so deep that the idea of betraying someone they love is genuinely painful to them. Cancer bonds deeply and protects that bond fiercely. As Capricorn, they take commitment seriously as a matter of integrity. Cheating would go against their own personal code of honor. They'd sooner end a relationship than disrespect it. Here's what I want you to walk away with. Your sign doesn't make you a cheater. Your choices do. Astrology gives us a map. It shows us where we're vulnerable, what we're craving, and what we need to feel secure in love. If you saw your sign on this list today, the real question isn't, am I going to cheat? It's, what do I actually need that I haven't asked for? Because most infidelity isn't about the other person, it's about an unmet need. Drop your sign in the comments. I want to know if this resonated. And if you want to go deeper, check out where I break down compatibility by sign so you can understand exactly what your partner needs from you. Like this video if it made you think. Subscribe if you want more honest astrology content. I'll see you in the next one. Up next, the Zodiac signs most likely to fall in love fast and get their heart broken.